All right, for this one, this is weavesilk.com. And for this one, if you notice, there is a lot of different points. So in Mandala Creator, there was just one set of points as you went around. This one, there are multiple, and you can see they move. When you press down the mouse, it has all kinds of different things that come out. And if you just hold it in one place, it still continues to go on its own and get darker and deeper and more designs within that area. You can then, of course, move to a different spot and come throughout and make your designs. If you want to change your colors, you can go there. You can add new colors. You can change new so we can actually see what we're doing. You can see that it's a little bit different. That's twofold rotational symmetry. You can go up to 6. And then that has 6 different points it's coming out at. You can change it to mirror cross center or not. If you don't, then it will go more of that spiral type design. Turn that back on. If you go spiral towards center, right now it's on. You turn it off, and it does it a little bit different. So again, this is another one you just need to play with the controls and see what your options are. This one you can save a picture. And so it says to save, right click the thumbnail and choose save image as. So I'm going to, on mine, I use 2 fingers to click for the right click. And when I do that, it comes up, I have my options to save, and you can choose your place to save it on your computer to then upload for your assignment. If you don't want to do that, I also uploaded that video on how to screenshot on a Chromebook, and you can do it that way as well. You can move your screen out to full screen, so then that way you have a little bit more area to create in. Press escape to get rid of that. And that is how you use Silkweaver. Hope you enjoy it.